doesn't get much darker than this. Ride on the train through the Alps, left all the good ones behind, not because I wanted to, but because it was time. I've come a long way, no, that's just life. Tell me how it's like far out at sea, but you can't get to the point, so I doubt I can give you all of me. But we let ships collide, but we let ships collide. I jump into the water. Every time I do, it's not even cold. So I just float on my back and I try not to do what I am told. And I watch you as you want your God to watch over you. If you like to choose what he's allowed to see, you remove your signs of religion. He may see you drink, but he shouldn't see me. I look back into the country where I empty my head while it keeps being refilled with a million different people running on bad coffee and air conditioning. And if you tell me a story, I might even tell you mine, but I might need to get off real soon. I always stick the seat at the aisle, but then tonight we let the ships collide. We let the ships collide. We let the ships collide. And we let the ships collide. Pale white fingers against the light palms of a hand, and the lines that cross the skin are like the telephone wires I saw crossing the line. Great communicators, the storylines might be paved with lies, but I really don't care. I'm gonna use you for my own story tonight. And we